Capital One Spark Miles pricing explained what you get for your money. The Capital One Spark Miles card is built for business owners and frequent travelers who want simple, flexible rewards. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's only valuable for business expenses, but the surprising truth is how versatile the miles are for personal travel too. You earn 2 miles per dollar on every purchase with no category restrictions and 5 miles per dollar on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. For example, a Zero annual business spend earns 100 Zero miles, which can be redeemed for Zero tour travel or transfer to partner airlines for even more value. The card comes with an intro annual fee for the first year, then annually. New cardholders can earn up to 50 Zero bonus miles after spending 500 in the first 3 months, a boost that can cover a round-trip flight anywhere in the US. Additional benefits include DSA PreCheck or Global Entry Credit, no foreign transaction fees and purchase protections. In conclusion, the Capital One Spark Miles card is ideal for business owners who want straightforward rewards with high flexibility. Its simple My earning structure, valuable welcome bonus, and travel perks make the annual fee highly worthwhile for those who travel frequently or spend heavily on business expenses.